Nilambur teak was one of the many factors which gained worldwide fame to Malabar. It is the ultimate symbol of unmatchable and unequaled luxury and pride. From very ancient time, people came to Nilambur in search of Nilambur teak. The British was said to have an avaricious eye on Malabar due to the presence of Nilambur teak. The only reason behind the British construction of railway system at Nilambur was to loot its teak. At the time of the Second World War, the British chopped down the Nilambur teaks from many hectares and taken to Britain in order to use it in the war. The Nilambur teak, which were grown at the deposit-contained riverbank of Chaliar, maintained high quality. The undisputed highlights of the Nilambur teak are gold color and oily quality. The Nilambur teak has been used in the construction of Palace of Buckingham, the gigantic Titanic, etc. By recognizing the high quality of Nilambur teak, it was H.V. Kanoli, the then collector of Malabar, decided to grow teak at Nilambur. The Nilambur teak plantation, which was grown upon the request of H.V. Kanoli under the direction of the then forest conservator Chatu Menon, is known as Kanoli plot. It is the oldest humanly constructed teak plantation in the world. Currently, Nilambur teak plantation is protected and grown in 8,760.370 hectares in different parts of Nilambur Taluk. The Forest Department has its sales office at Aruvakodu and Nadungayam. The Forest Department is directly maintaining the teak plantation at Nilambur. The fully grown teak woods are cut down and are auctioned under the department. Anyone can attend the auction by registering on the department website. The sole forest product which has GI tag is Nilambur teak. The teak wood is mainly used in the construction of ships, interior works of luxurious homes, and in manufacturing of quality furniture. This wood can resist any attacks of wood-boring beetles. As a result, teak furniture is highly durable. The famous car manufacturing company Rolls-Royce has used Nilambur teak for interior decoration of their Ghost series model.